Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aries placements. Okay, so let's check your person's energy. Okay, ngayong November. O siguro hanggang end na ng November. Okay, titingnan natin kung ano bang yung mga mangyayari if ever. Okay, so yeah, syempre before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, if meron kayong mga tanong pagdating sa ating mga evil eye item, okay, for protection, okay, from evil eyes, okay, the one na talagang nagbibigay ng hindi magandang energy sa inyo, okay, yun yung mga evil eye ha, in general, okay, and kay love bracelet and kay granter necklace and doon sa ating ang tawag dyan, new item for cord cutting. Okay, so si cord cutting, ang iniaalis niyan ay yung mga past baggages, past trauma, mga ganyan, para makausad ka, okay, to help you heal din actually. Okay, so kung may tanong pa, just message me. And yeah, if you're interested rin na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, just message lang po sa kanyang FB page. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer dyan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay, si Kuya Dingsi pwede kong i-refer sa inyo. Okay, so let's start the reading. Okay, Aries placements. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So gagamit ako ng Oracle. Okay, so who is this person you're thinking about? Okay, anong meron sa person mo? So, itong oracle na to, yes, this is new. Okay, so mga specific, okay, yung nandito. Yes, anyway, let's see. Anong meron sa person mo, Aries? Anong meron? Okay, so may chance na hindi makaka-resonate yung iba or something like, uy, ay oo, may mga ganyan. Okay, so let's see, anong meron sa person mo, Aries? Sino ba yan? Okay. White clothing. Oh, someone who likes white clothing, who likes white. Okay, white color, or pwedeng sabihin natin ang taong to gusto niya yung mga mapupusyaw lang na kulay baga. Okay? What else? Okay, exaggerated pictures. Okay, something like meron siya pagdating sa mukha niya. Okay, something na pwedeng sabihin natin, meron siyang pointed nose, like something like exaggerated yung pagka-pointed, no, mga ganyan. I don't know, some of them pwedeng may chance na nagparitoke na, mga ganun. Okay, someone na pwedeng not in the norms. Okay, mga ganyan. Anyway, so what else? Some of them pwedeng they're into sabihin natin bonggang makeup, mga ganyan. Okay, sa babae. Okay, what else? Okay, tribal. Some of them they're too traditional, maybe traditional or something like may pagka-oldies, mga ganyan. Naniniwala sa mga ang tawag dyan, mga sabihin nating mga kinaugalian. Okay, mga may ang tawag doon, naniniwala sa mga sabi-sabi, mga ganyan, something like that. Okay, anyway, what else? Diba, napaka specific nito. Ano pa ang meron sa person? Hindi naman lahat, syempre. Okay, kukuha tayo ng maraming energy. Straight hair. Okay, so yeah, straight hair, yun lang, napaka specific nun. Okay, what else? Okay, curly hair. Diba? Lahat. Diba? So, what else? Para hindi masabing, okay, hindi pala ako dun kasali. Palalawakin natin ang kuha ng energy. Okay, animated eyes. Someone na pwedeng mahilig talaga sa sa kung ano man ang mga ginagawa sa mukha, kung ano man, pahilig sa filter, mga ganyan. Okay, mga babae, mga palalaki. Okay, so Ito this is so specific rin. Iba sa kanila, kahit straight, yung hair nila, nandoon yung parang sa family nila. Okay, may mga kulot. May mga kulot. O, diba? Okay. Some of them, pwedeng may nunal. Saan? Saan? O, basta, no, depende. Tawang-tawa agad. Okay. So, yun na nakikita ko. Oo, dun sa person mo. Okay. So, someone who likes white. White clothing. I don't know. Pwedeng, yun nga, sabi ko, mga mapupusyaw na kulay. Mga ganyan. Okay? Parang fresh lang. Fresh looking, some of them. Okay? Mga ganon. Okay. What else? Ano pa bang meron dito? Yeah, mahilig sa filter. I don't know. I don't know kung ito yung sinasabi na parang kahit wala naman silang ginagawa sa mukha nila, andun yung energy na uy, ay. I'm sorry. Okay, like, sa FB or sa kung anumang online kineme meron siya, no? Iba yung mukha niya sa personal at sa picture. Okay, may ganon. Yes. Okay? So, some of them merong picture na medyo brown complexion. Okay, anyway. So, this is all about physical Okay? Kung anong meron. Anyway, so yun sa energy tayo. Okay, so yun nakukuha ko. Okay, so let's see. Ano ba talaga ang meron sa person mo, Aries? Anong meron sa kanya? Aries. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So, anong meron sa person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. The High Priestess in reverse. Some of them, they're intuitive. They're intuitive. Yeah. Nakita natin kanina yung tribal. Yeah. Okay? Pwede may connection yun doon. Some of them, marunong ng tarot. Marunong na kung ano-ano. Okay? Sabihin nating AB normal. Mga ganyan. Okay. The World in reverse. You have this unfinished business with this person. Unfinished business. Some of them may pagkatamang hinala rin. Or maybe, ikaw itong may tamang hinala sa kanya. Okay? We have Justice at the bottom of the deck. Some of you, kasal kayo ng taong to. So, may nakita tayo, diba? White dress. Pwedeng kasal kayo ng taong to. Okay? So, ano bang meron? Anong meron? Oops. Meron ditong hindi na-actionan. Some of them, may sarili silang sabihin nating mga pinaniniwalaan. Okay? Pwedeng Cancer. Fixed sign. Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aqua. Okay. Anong meron sa situation nyo? Tingnan natin, energy ni person. Anong meron sa sitwasyon nyo? Okay, the Knight of Cups. What's with that? Oh. Your past person. This is your past person. The World in reversed. You have unfinished business with this person. Still, the love is there. Somebody, itong taong to, okay, or sa situation, wala akong nakikita ritong naghahanap ng iba. So, kung ikaw naghahanap ka ng iba, this is not your reading. Agad-agad. Okay? Meron ako nakita rito, someone get caught. Okay? May nahuli. Pwedeng nahuli mo tong taong to sa past. na kung ano man ang ginawa niya, cheating or whatsoever, something na pwedeng nangyari is nagresulta ng breakup. Okay? So, may nahuli ka sa kanya. Yes. So, now, someone, isa sa inyo, situation ninyo, open. Still, pagdating sa love. Pero actually, kahit sino pa ang kakonek. Okay? Meron ako dito nakikita may mga kumukunik kung kani-kanino. Pero hindi makita. Yung sabihin nating tulad niya. Meron ditong sabihin nating naghahanap. Okay, sige. If you're looking for someone else. Pero hindi eh. Yeah. The Knight of Cups. Andun yung focus. Sabihin natin ito yung iba sa inyo nagugustuhan nyo kung anong situation meron kayo sa ngayon. Okay? Pero hindi pa rin maalisan yung attachment or yung ties na meron kayo. Okay, yun na lang in general. Gusto nyo kung anong meron sa ngayon. Nakakapaglibang kayo, nagiging okay ka, whatsoever, pero andun pa rin yung attachment. Okay? So, okay, sige, kung ikaw is looking for someone, okay, in general that is why sabi ko, gusto mo yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Gusto nyo yung sitwasyon ngayon, pero the Seven of Cups is in the reversed. Meaning, you're still open for this. You are. Okay, ano ba ang energy niya? Anong meron sa kanya ngayon? Okay, anong meron sa kanya ngayon, Aries? Anong meron sa kanya? The Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, may mga nasasayang. May panghihinayang ako nakukuha from them. Why? By the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Ten of Cups. Ooh! They're not happy. Oo naman. Okay? Oo naman. Dito pa lang sa sitwasyon Dito pa lang sa una. Yeah, they know they fucked this up. Okay? Alam nila sila ang sumira dito. Okay? I'm sorry. Pero, yeah. I'm sorry with the word, with the term, with the expression. Oo. So, energy niya ngayon, they're not happy. Alam nila na meron silang mga nasayang. Meron silang, yeah, there's this panghihinayang. Okay, sa energy nila sa ngayon. Okay? Some of them, ang tingin niya sa'yo, you're moving on. You're happy without them. Yeah. Okay. Ano bang ginagawa mo, Aries? Let's see. Anong tingin niya sa'yo ngayon? O, diba? Ang tingin niya, hindi ako, babasahin ko lang. Anong meron? Anong tingin niya sa'yo, Aries, ngayon? Anong tingin niya? Anong iniisip nitong taong to ngayon? Death. Totally. So, maybe, yeah, that's why. That's why they're unhappy, feeling hindi sila whole, hindi sila buo, a lot of regrets, maybe a lot of sabihin nating panghihinayang because, yeah, they see you as someone who is ending this. Yeah, they see you as someone who is ending this. They want a new beginning with you though. Yeah. You're the death. Meaning, there's something na pwedeng may mga nangyayaring pagbabago na sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng hindi na nakakarinig itong taong to sa'yo. That is why. See? Temperance. Parang feeling niya nakakablik ka na sa dati mong mga ginagawa, nagiging okay ka na. Okay, you have this self-love maybe. Yeah. So, napaka-unhappy niya. Kung ganito talaga yung ginagawa mo, then they're suffering. Yeah, they're suffering. They're sad. upset, blaming yung sarili nila. Okay? Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, yung specific, kung nakuha mo o nahuli mo tong taong tong cheating on you, yeah, they're cheating on you, they cheated on you. Kung nahuli mo sila, ang nakikita ko rito hindi sila okay dun. Okay, I mean, hindi sila naging okay nung someone na nakita mo. Hindi sila naging okay, hindi naging successful. Now, they want to come back. They want to come back. They want to, yeah, make a return. Okay? They see you as someone who is cutting them off. Okay? Pagpatuloy mo, if ever, pagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo. Okay? Pagpatuloy mo lang. Yeah. Anyway. So, ano ba talagang next action niya towards you? Anong next action niya? The Hierophant. Yeah. Commitment. They want commitment. What's with that? What's with this Hierophant? Some of you, kung kasal kayo nito makikipagbalikan talaga yan. Yeah. Yeah, the Four of Swords. You'll hear from them. You'll hear from them. They want to commit. The Nine of Pentacles in reversed. Okay? Meron silang idadrop. Kung anong kailangan i-drop, ay idadrop nila for you. Siyempre, kung ganito ba naman yung energy nila sa ngayon. Okay? Feeling nila, sinayang lang nila, feeling nila, pakiramdam nila talagang itinapon nila. Para silang nagtampo sa bigas. Parang ganun yung energy. Okay? Anyway, so yeah, here they come. Here they come. Are you ready? Advice. Advice sa pwede niyang gawin. Anong advice? If ever, okay, na mag-reach out nga itong taong to. Again, pagpatuloy mo yung ginagawa mo, pag-cut off. Okay? Pagpatuloy mo, and gawin mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. Okay? What else? Anong advice for you, Aries? See the Star. Heal from this. Let them admire you. Okay? Let them chase you. Yeah. Gawin mo yung sarili mong wish. Okay? Wish nila. Okay? The Star. The Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you don't need to do something. You don't need to put effort on it, on this. Okay? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords. Alam nila Alam nila kung sino yung dapat gawa ng aksyon. Yung may value. Okay? Yung may value. Yeah, alam nilang nasayang nila. Okay? So, I think this person is stalking you right now. Right now. Yeah, I'm getting an energy of someone who's stalking you right now. They're watching you like a hawk. They are. Okay? So, give them something to watch. Okay? Give them something to watch. Okay? Yeah. Wag kang maglalagay ng kung ano, like, sabihin natin mga hindi magaganda. Okay? Tingin mo, i-admire ka nun? No. Okay? Don't put kung ano-anong low vibe na energy sa FB mo. Okay? Sa kung ano-ano man, my day mo, enough. Stop it. Okay? Put something na kung ano man yung parang tingin mo is makakahila ng magandang energy. Okay? Makakapagbigay or tingin ng ibang tao is okay ka. Something like that. Okay? Pero hindi mo kailangang i-manipula yung mga tao. Okay? Kung anong meron ka. Kung sa tingin mo na kasi pinapanood ka ng taong to so give them something to watch. Okay? Give them something to stalk. Okay? So, ayan mo sila na manghinayang. Okay? Let them chase you. Sinayang ka nito Aries, sinayang ka niya Okay? So, now, maraming nare-realize, maraming natututunan tong taong to. Ngayon niya lang nakikita yung value mo. Yeah, you're the star. Okay? Si star, wala namang ginagawa yan, pero ina-admire. See? Wala namang ginagawa, nandun lang siya. Nagsusumayaw ba yan? Hindi naman, di ba? Okay? Yeah, be the star. Oh, yeah. Okay, so yun lang po ang aking reading. Ay, oo nga. Doon tayo sa all signs. Okay. I'm sorry, I forgot. Okay, all signs for Aries placements. The one you're dealing with. The zodiac sign you're dealing with. Okay, Aries. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Aries placements. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries. They will take action. Yeah, they will. Taurus. Oh, ang daming gustong magpursue sa'yo, Aries. They will put effort. Okay? Maging responsible sa'yo si Taurus. Okay? Gemini. They're looking for you, I guess. They're looking for you. Okay? They are looking for you. Cancer. They're going back. They're going back. Or energy nang they're like choosing to stay. Leo. They're into you. Like sexually. Okay, yeah. Virgo, they want to talk. Okay, they want to clear things out. Some of them, they will give you answers. Okay. Libra, okay. There's this, energy ng meron siyang inaaral. Something like, bago siya gumawa ng action, meron siyang inaaral. Yeah. Scorpio, they want your attention. They want your attention. Sagittarius, they're upset. Okay, lalo na kung ikaw to Aries na talagang nilalayuan mo, itong Sagittarius na to, they're upset. Capricorn, they feel a strong connection with you. Yeah. Some of you, Aries, you're dealing with, a Capricorn. Like, yeah. Or pwedeng magkaroon ka ng bagong kakonect. Pwedeng Capricorn. Aquarius, they're stalking you. Yeah, they're stalking you. Okay. Yung iba sa kanila pumupunta sa mga lugar na napuntahan nyo na. Parang feeling niya, pwedeng makita ka niya doon. Something like that. Yeah. Being secretive. They're being sneaky. Yes. Pisces, they're attracted. Okay? Andun yung pwedeng, sabihin nating andun sa'yo yung focus. Okay? Gusto ka nitong Pisces na to. Maybe some of them, they're not, open lang pagdating sa words, no? They're not communicating kung anong meron, like emotions, intentions nila. Pero yeah, some of them, they're watching you. Okay, itong Pisces na to, they're watching you. They're stalking you. Yeah. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you, thank you. Bye.